Welcome to Psycholab, the podcast where we decode the hidden psychology of everyday life. I'm your host, Josh, and today we're diving into the psychology of showing off. Why do we buy things we can't afford to impress people we don't know? With me, as always, is my co host, Chelsea, who is currently making an entrance.
To thump. That, Josh, is the sound of success. It's the sound of wealth. It's the sound of my brand new limited edition Gucci-Poochi monogram extravaganza tote. Do you hear it? It's practically screaming, I have a higher credit score than you. Respect the drip.
I respect that it almost broke the desk. Chelsea, that bag is enormous, and it's covered in logos. It looks like a billboard fell on a suitcase.
It's called fashion. Look it up. This isn't just a bag, it's an investment in my personal brand. When people see me with this, they don't see Chelsea, the girl who eats ramen 4 nights a week. They see Chelsea, the mysterious, possibly a billionaire heiress.
Okay, so let me get this straight. You spent, and I'm just guessing based on the sheer square footage of logo printed canvas, your entire paycheck on this bag specifically to make people think you're rich?
Duh, it's a wealth signal. I'm signaling my wealth.
Well, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but you're signaling something, all right? But it's not that you're a billionaire, it's that you're not.
Excuse me? This bag cost $3,000.
And in doing so, you've perfectly identified yourself as a member of what economists call the aspirant class, not the established class.
The aspirant class? That sounds like a fancy word for loser.
Not at all. It just means you aspire to be wealthy. The truly wealthy, the old money or the established tech billionaires, don't need to broadcast their status with logos. This brings us to the core of our topic today: loud luxury versus quiet luxury.
Okay, Professor, explain.
Your bag is the perfect example of loud luxury. It uses conspicuous branding, these big repeating logos, to signal its high price and, by extension, your supposed status. It's designed for mass recognition. Anyone can look at it and know it's expensive.
Exactly, that's the point.
But the established wealthy don't operate that way. They prefer quiet luxury or stealth wealth. Think of a $10,000 cashmere sweater that has no logo at all, or a handbag from a brand like Loro Piana or Brunello Cucilini that costs $15,000 but it's completely unbranded.
Wait, so they spend more money for something that looks anonymous? Why? What is the point of a $15,000 bag if no one knows it's a $15,000 bag?
Because the right people know. Quiet luxury is a dog whistle. Its signals are subtle: the specific stitching, the quality of the leather, the unique clasp. It's a code that's only legible to other members of the elite. They aren't trying to impress the masses, they're signaling to each other.
A secret rich people club.
Precisely. It creates a barrier. Your logo covered bag is easily copied by counterfeiters, diluting the brand's exclusivity. But you can't easily fake the perfect drape of a vicuña wool coat. So, in a strange paradox, the more you shout about your wealth of logos, the more you prove you're not in the club you want to join.
So, my bag is a fancy way of saying I'm a tourist in the land of rich people.
It gets worse, I'm afraid. This leads to something called the snob effect.
Oh, great. What fresh economic hell is this?
The snob effect is an economic principle where demand for a product actually decreases among the elite as it becomes more popular with the general public. Essentially, the moment people like you, the aspirant class, start buying Gucci-Poochi monogram bags to look rich, the actual rich people stop buying them. The item loses its exclusive cachet. Your very act of buying this bag to join the club is what makes the club members leave.
So, I'm a trend killer? I paid 3 grand to be uncool to billionaires? My whole life is a lie. This bag is a lie.
And it goes even deeper. The ultimate power move in the world of the super rich isn't quiet luxury, it's what's called counter signaling.
Counter signaling.
Think about Mark Zuckerberg wearing a plain gray t shirt and jeans. He's a 100 billionaire. He could be wearing a suit woven from gold, but he chooses to dress like a college student. Why?
Because he has no soul and terrible taste?
No, because he's so secure in his position that he doesn't need to signal anything to anyone. Dressing down is the signal. It says, my wealth and power are so immense and so obvious that I am completely above the game of status symbols. It's the ultimate flex, not needing to flex.
Right. He's post luxury. He's reached the final boss level of rich, and it's a hoodie.
Exactly. Meanwhile, luxury brands make the bulk of their profit selling loud luxury items like your bag to the middle and upper middle classes who want to feel like they're part of the elite.
Wait a minute. Let me count the logos on just this one side. One, two, three. There are 84 G-Poo logos on this side alone. Four sides plus the bottom and the straps. Oh my God. There are nearly 600 logos on this bag.
That's a lot of signaling.
I paid $3,000 for this. That means I paid Gucci-Poochi $5 for every single logo they plastered on here. I didn't buy a bag. I paid an obscene amount of money for the privilege of being their unpaid walking advertisement.
Now you're getting it.
This is a capitalist nightmare. I've been bamboozled. Right, that's it. I'm fixing this. I'm turning this loud luxury into quiet luxury.
Chelsea, what are you doing? Is that a giant permanent marker?
If the logos are the problem, I'll get rid of the logos. 1, 2, 3. Take that, conspicuous consumption. 4, 5. A little messy. 6.
You're coloring them in with a Sharpie? I don't think that's how quiet luxury works. You're just destroying a $3,000 bag. It's gonna look like a Dalmatian with the measles.
It's not destroyed. It's customized. It's bespoke. It's a statement on the ephemeral nature of brand identity. See, now it has no logos. It's just a vaguely lumpy, ink-stained tote. It's quiet now. Listen, silence.
I hear the sound of your savings account weeping.
Okay, I may have made a miscalculation. The fumes are making me dizzy. But hey, look at it this way. It's now a one-of-a-kind art piece. You want to buy it? I'll give you a deal. 5,000.
$5,000 for a bag that looks like it just went through a car wash filled with squid ink? I'm gonna have to pass, but I will say your creative expression has perfectly set the stage for the next chapter in our discussion. We're moving beyond simple luxury signals into the wild world of Veblen goods. You want me to pay you more than you paid for it after you scribbled all over it with a marker?
I added value. It's an artist statement. Okay, 4,000. Final offer. It smells of victory and permanent ink.
I am absolutely not buying your ruined bag. And on that note, that's all the time we have for today on capital gains and losses. We've learned that sometimes the loudest statements are the ones that say nothing at all.
3,000. You'd be breaking even for me. It's a rescue.
And if you want to make a truly smart investment, consider subscribing to our show. It doesn't have a logo, it costs you nothing, and unlike some luxury goods, its value actually increases the more people who have it. Subscribing is the ultimate stealth wealth. It shows you value knowledge over logos. Until next time.